Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer Solo 3.0 True Wireless Earbuds. This is the black variant. There is some information on this box. This particular earbud supports Bluetooth 5.0. The earbuds carry a battery of 40 mAh. The charging case carries a battery of 400 mAh. Working time is 2.5 hours. Working distance is 10 meters and case charging time is 1 to 2 hours. That's all the information we have on the box. Let's just open it and take a look inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer Solo 3.0. First up, we have an instruction manual, which you should read at least once, and warranty cards. I'm going to leave them over here. This particular packet contains extra silicone tips, two of them in fact, the large and the small variant. This is a micro USB cable, this is what you use to charge this particular device. Let's take a look at the charging case. This is a matte black charging case, has a very nice finish to it. This is the micro USB charging port over here, and you have LED indicators on this side. Inside there are grooves for the half in-ear design earbuds, and there are also these nodes over here. These are your magnetic charging nodes. Let's take a look at the earbuds. So this is the Hammer Solo 3.0 earbuds. They come with an angular nozzle, which is not much of an angle, but still. And these are your half in-ear design earbuds. Notice the Hammer logo right over here, there you can see. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer Solo 3.0 True Wireless Earbuds Black variant. Thank you for watching.